Two powerhouses from Freshworks, Freshsales and Freshdesk. One key question: which tool truly fits your business needs? On the left, Freshsales, the AI-powered CRM for high-velocity sales. And on the right, Freshdesk, the modern omnichannel help desk built for customer support. Let's skip the fancy features and dive into what really matters. We'll award points across each category, so you'll see exactly which platform stands tall by the end. The winner might just surprise you. All right, before we go full speed ahead, let's get a bird's eye view. Here's our mind map. So we're comparing these two on core purpose, pricing, features and utility, reporting and analytics, integrations, AI and automation, user experience, and, scalability. That's a lot, but trust me, each one matters. Ready? Let's kick off with the core purpose. So, starting with core purpose, let's be real. Freshsales is like laser focused on sales teams. It's all about helping you track, close, and manage deals. Automates your lead pipeline, saves you from drowning in spreadsheets. But you know what? If you need hardcore ticket support, it's just not the right fit. Now, Freshdesk, on the other hand, this is every support manager's dream. Tickets, automation, tracking, and even multi-channel handling. But sales features? Basically non-existent. So if you want sales workflows, Freshsales. If it's support and tickets, Freshdesk. Both win in their worlds, so I'm going to call this one a tie. All right, moving to pricing. Freshsales gets a little gold star here. You can test it out with the free trial, and it's only $9 a user per month for core CRM stuff. Yeah, if you want those superhero AI tools, you'll be looking at higher plans. But the entry point is super friendly. Now, Freshdesk love the free plan for up to 10 agents. That's super generous. Paid plans start at $15 an agent. So honestly, it's a bit steeper as you grow. And once you hit those AI or advanced automations, you'll need to pay up. So value for money, Freshsales edges out. Winner, Freshsales. Let's get into features and utility. This is where the fun starts. Freshsales throws AI insights at you. You get the built-in phone and email. It's got forecasting, beautiful pipelines. If you're obsessed with closing more, this will get you hyped. But if you want robust ticketing or multi-channel magic, Freshdesk is where it's at. Email, social, even phone channels, plus AI ticket triage. Also, the knowledge base, self-serve, all that. But don't expect sales pipelines or classic CRM wizardry. So for versatility and features, Freshsales actually takes the cake. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know Freshworks, the company behind both Freshsales and Freshdesk, has like more than 60,000 customers worldwide? That's a ton of businesses relying on these tools every day. All right. Reporting and analytics. Freshsales, the dashboards. Sales teams basically get performance insights on steroids. Customizable reports, lots of AI analytics. The only caveat, service metrics are kinda meh compared to Freshdesk. Flip side, Freshdesk dives deep into support analytics, tracks SLAs, collects customer feedback, all the things you'd want if you're handling tons of tickets. But sales-specific data, not really a thing here. In this round, Freshsales comes out a little ahead for its sales analytics muscle. Integrations! So Freshsales covers the basics. Zapier, calendars, email, tons of CRM-friendly apps. Honestly, it'll probably work with what you need. But Freshdesk is like the cool kid with a massive marketplace. Hundreds of apps, business tools, automation, you name it. The catch? Some integrations are locked behind the paywall, which can be kind of annoying. Still, if you want options, Freshdesk wins here. Winner, Freshdesk. AI and automation. This one's fun. Freshsales puts AI to work predicting which deals will actually close. A literal crystal ball. Also, automates those tedious tasks and scores leads. But you do have to fork out for the higher tier plan to get the good stuff. Now, Freshdesk's Freddy AI is all about pumping up your support staff. Automatic ticket categorizing, suggested replies, resolution boosters, but it just doesn't have that hardcore sales angle. You know what? Both have killer automation, just pointed at totally different jobs. So let's call it a tie. How about user experience? Okay, Freshsales is slick. I mean, the UI is modern, navigation is crazy easy, especially moving between deals and contacts. If you want custom workflows though, heads up, you'll need to spend some time onboarding. Now, Freshdesk, super intuitive inbox. Support agents can jump in really fast. Setup is a breeze, but if you only need basic ticketing, the interface can actually feel a little busy. Still, both are user-friendly, so I'm saying tie for this too. And finally, scalability. Freshsales handles SMBs up to mid-market teams pretty well, but it's not really built for giant call centers or full enterprise support ops. Freshdesk, on the flip side, is the real MVP here. Startups, enterprise, high-ticket volumes, whatever. But total honesty, if your team is tiny, you might get more bells and whistles than you need. So, for scaling up, Freshdesk takes this category. Winner, Freshdesk. Hang on, quick visual. So here's a radar chart with all the categories we just talked through. You'll notice it's not a total landslide. Each tool's got its sweet spots, and there's overlap too. Choosing really depends on your use case. So, stacking it all up, if your team lives and breathes sales, Freshsales will make you happy. It's smart, automated, and tuned for closing deals. But if you're looking to manage tickets and keep customers smiling, Freshdesk is just way more your speed. Both can't win every category, but honestly, they're each best at what they're designed for. Hey, if you found this head-to-head review helpful, stick around. The channel's got a ton more tech breakdowns coming soon. Don't forget to check out other deep dives before you pick your next tool.